What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video on Mr. Junior Dev. Today we're going to be working with iterators, and today we're going to be working with the dot filter method. Alright, so another useful iterator method is dot filter, like dot map. Dot filter returns a new array. However, dot filter returns an array of elements after filtering out certain elements from the original array. The callback function for the dot filter method should return true or false, depending on the element that is passed to it. The elements that cause the callback function to return true are added to the new array. Take a look at the following example. Const words, chair, music, pillow, brick, pen, door. Const short words equals words.filter word, return word.length smaller than 6. Words is an array that contains string elements. Const short words declares a new variable that will store the returned array from invoking .filter. The callback function is an arrow function that has a single parameter word. Each element in the words array will be passed to this function as an argument. Word.length is smaller than 6 is the condition in the callback function. Any word from the words array that has fewer than 6 characters will be added to the short words array. Let's also check the values of words and short words. Console.log words, output chair, music, pillow, brick, pen, door. Console.log short words, chair, music, brick, pen, door. Okay, so observe how words was not mutated, changed, and short words is a new array. So call the dot filter method on random numbers to return values that are less than 250. Save them to a new array called small numbers declared with const. So we're going to take small numbers, then we take random numbers filter. To return values that are less than that are less than 250. So I'm going to take number equals num less than 250. Okay, so now let's work with an array of strings. Invoke dot filter on the favorite words array. Invoke dot filter on the favorite words array to return elements that have more than 7 characters. So okay, and then save it to constant variable long favorite words. That is favorite words. Elements that have more than 7 characters. more than 7 characters will be at index will be 6, right? 0 would be the first, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6. So 6 would be the 7th character, if I'm not mistaken. Save returned array to a const variable named long favorite words. So that's right. But the spelling here is wrong. And it's favorite words. Okay, I'm gonna run that. Let's see. So let's try 7. Maybe I was wrong. Yes, I was wrong, in fact. So it actually works by a numerical value. Or the question is wrong. One of the two. But if you remember in the previous exercise, when we called on the array, we started at 0. Well, like with anything in programming, we always start at 0, then it's 1, then it's 2. So the 7th character would be at array 6. So yeah, maybe it's just a question, or maybe I'm just wrong. Maybe I'm not thinking properly. All right, guys, I hope you like this video. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.